Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have travel essential that's been making waves in the tech world: the Ceptics Universal Travel Adapter Kit. If you're someone who loves to travel or frequently finds yourself needing to charge multiple devices on the go, this could be your new best friend. So, what makes this adapter stand out from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, this isn't just any ordinary adapter, it's designed with the savvy traveler in mind. Compact and lightweight, it won't weigh down your luggage, measuring just 2.75 by 1.5 by 3.75 inches and weighing less than 5 ounces. One of the standout features of the Ceptics kit is its versatility. It comes with adapters for Europe, UK, China, Australia, Japan, and more, covering most of the globe's major plug types. Whether you're exploring the historic streets of Europe or soaking up the sun in Australia, this adapter has you covered. What about charging capabilities? Well, it's equipped with 2 USB ports and a USB-C cord, featuring Quick Charge 3.0 technology. That means rapid charging for your smartphones, tablets, and other gadgets, ensuring you're always powered up and ready to go. Safety is paramount, especially when dealing with electronics. The Ceptics adapter comes with built-in surge protection to safeguard your devices from unexpected power spikes. Plus, it includes a voltage indicator that lights up to show whether you're using 110 volts or 220 volts outlets, ensuring compatibility wherever you travel. Using the Ceptics adapter is straightforward. Simply plug it in, select the appropriate attachment for your location, and connect your devices. It's designed to be intuitive, making it a hassle-free addition to your travel essentials. In conclusion, the Ceptics Universal Travel Adapter Kit is more than just a gadget, it's a companion for your global adventures. With its compact size, powerful charging capabilities, and robust safety features, it's no wonder this adapter is a favorite among frequent travelers. If you're interested in learning more or picking one up for yourself, we've included a link in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews here on Product Critique. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Until next time, happy travels and stay tuned for more insightful reviews right here on Product Critique.